Hi guys, in today's video for this channel, I publish Ghostwriters. In this video today, if you stick around, I'm going to show you how I went from 0 to 30,000 a month in Kindle publishing and Audible sales, all passive income once it's all set up and done. So let's get right into it. Here are some of my sales for audiobooks. Today is September 25th, 2020. So let's get right into it. This is all the months that I've had this particular account. And let's go for 2020. Let's go back into January. Let's do February. Let's do March. Let's do April. Let's do 4 months of just passive income on audible.com. Just one of my sources of passive income for Kindle publishing. All right. So if I go to January 2020, summary report, PDF is about to download. Here's my name, Alex. Let's click on this. Here is my name. Here is January 2020. Here is 19,000. That's 1 month. Let's go to February of this year, all during the pandemic while people are in quarantine. 16,000. Here you go, 2020, February 20, 16,000. All passive income from audible.com. Let's go to March. We're definitely in quarantine at this point in time in the US. And let's see what the checks look like coming in. 22,000. All passive income. I've been publishing now for several years. And here is April. Last month I'll show for this video. 26,000. April 2020. And there's my name. So basically, I've taken my account from 0 to 30,000 plus. I have more than one account in publishing in terms of diversifying my portfolio. I've created this channel for people just like you that want to create a real passive income. This is a real business. People think that you can't make money selling books. I make most of the money selling print books, not the ebooks, because an ebook is obviously $2.99. But we make most of our money selling print books and selling Audible books on audible.com, where some of our books sell for $24 and some of our books sell for $40. Books are sold internationally in the US and everywhere. So a lot of people sleep on Amazon, Kindle, the publishing business, but I've created this course just for you in mind. So if you like what you see, if you want to learn more, I'm going to put a link down below so you can watch a video, another video that will guide you into possibly booking a call with me and seeing if this is something that you want to do. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the back office info, and I'll see you on the next one.